Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest buying decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's bound to take your tech game to new heights. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, and on the right, the Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone. Buckle up, because it's about to get airborne. Let's kick things off with the price. The Holy Stone HS720E comes in at $399, while the Potensic ATOM will set you back $449. So if you're looking to save some bucks for, a pizza or two, Holy Stone is your guy. But wait, there's more to this story. Next up, camera quality. Both drones boast 4K cameras, but Holy Stone flexes with its electric image stabilization and a fancy Sony sensor. It's like having a mini Hollywood director in the sky. Potensic, on the other hand, brings a 3-axis gimbal to the party, ensuring your footage is smoother than butter on a hot pancake. And yes, it's also rocking a Sony sensor. So who wins this round? Well, it's a close call, but Potensic's gimbal might just edge it out for those buttery smooth shots. Now, let's talk about flight time. Holy Stone gives you 46 minutes with 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show. But Potensic says, hold my propeller, and offers a whopping 96 minutes with 3 batteries. Talk about staying power. Potensic definitely takes this round unless you enjoy your drone taking more breaks than you do on a Monday morning. Holy Stone brings some user-friendly controls to the table with Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. Potensic counters with visual tracking and quick shots like Pull Away, Rocket, Circle, Spiral, and Boomerang. I mean, who doesn't want their drone to do a boomerang? It's the ultimate look what I can do moment. Potensic wins this round with its arsenal of creative modes. Ever been on a peaceful walk and been rudely interrupted by a noisy drone? Holy Stone's got you covered with its whisper-quiet brushless motors. Potensic? Well, it's not whispering, but it's not shouting either. So if you want to be the ninja of the skies, Holy Stone is your go-to. Portability is key, especially if you like to take your drone on adventures. Potensic is lightweight and doesn't need FAA registration, making it as easy to carry as your phone. Holy Stone, while not exactly a behemoth, does need some paperwork. So if you hate bureaucracy as much as the next person, Potensic wins this round. Reviewers have praised the Holy Stone HS720E for its high quality, features, stability, and flight time, making it a great value for its price. On the other hand, the Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone has been highlighted for its ease of use, excellent camera quality, and advanced features, making it a solid mid-grade option for both beginners and more experienced users. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. If you're all about extended flight time and cinematic shots, Potensic is your new best friend. But if you want a quieter, more budget-friendly option with solid performance, Holy Stone is your guy. Whichever you choose, you're in for some sky-high fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic showdowns. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.